So what is up, guys? So today we're going to be drawing this rose right here. So let's get started. So I'm going to draw the bottom of the rose first. It's a little easier to start with, so let's get into it. So we just kind of do a line like that, and then curve it all the way over here. And then from here, you just kind of also do the same thing. Carry it on. Okay, that is the bottom of the flower. So let's get into the other things. So now we from here you go like that into that, like that. And after you're done with that, just kind of do a little curve from here all the way here. Once you're done with that curve, you from here, you just do that. And then do back down. Then you just from here connect that. Okay. Then do a little line like that there. That. Now we're going to do the rest of the parts from here. And from here, like right here, you do little curves like that. Then you just kind of wobbly, a little wobble line connecting to there. And then now we do that right there. And now we just get up here, then stop there. Stop there. And then we from here we'll do like that. And then from here we stop and then connect it there. Now we will do a little quick there, a little bump, and connect it like that. Okay. So now we will from here you see this bump. So now we're going into that. Don't connect it. Do a curve and then come down from there. Now do a curve like that and connect it to here. And then now we just do a little curve, do this, do that, and then boom, do a line like that. Now we would now see this bump, that, and then now we do a little lines. Do a little line over here, and then another line over here. Maybe there's right here, you see that bump? You might want to increase it over here. Now we would, if this structure is too higher than that, like it's not just right, you can get an eraser right here, lower it up. So you might want to make this a little shorter if you need to. Like that, there we go. So that's the top of the rose. Now let's get into the leaves and the stem. So now we see this line, do another line close to that, and I'll make it look like that. Stop here. This is going to be one leaf. Do that. Do the triangle like that. Another one. Another one. Another one like that. Another one. Another one. Stop there. Now we are going to do backwards like this. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, So you see that? Now just kind of curve there, stop there. Yeah. We have to do like a little bit of line work into the leaves. A little line like that. Then a line that starts from here, that ends all the way over here. Okay, there's another leaf. You might want to get all the way over here. There's a leaf. So just do a zigzag like that, all the way, like we did. Up, 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 and last up. So now we go down the zigzag, like down, another zigzag down, another zigzag down, another zigzag down. So you start from here and just like start curving in, like we did last time. But the line work is going to be different this time. So we do a line like that, right? But we connect that back in like kind of like a triangle. So now we'll keep going like that. There you go, that's how you draw a rose.